Good morning. We'll all need an umbrella on our way out. The capital and Chungcheongnam-do Province will see rain in the morning, while most inland regions will see sporadic showers in the afternoon, and they could linger into tomorrow with 5 to 70 millimeters in store. Meanwhile, western regions are seeing poor visibility this morning due to a mix of dust and fog. And what's worse, toxic dust from overseas will blow in this afternoon, boosting fine dust levels to bad in the west. So let's check the levels frequently today. A warm and humid afternoon is in store, and daily highs will be a couple notches lower for here in the capital, getting up to 29 degrees Celsius, while Daegu and Gwangju should be warmer, with highs going up to 31 degrees Celsius this afternoon. In Seoul, we'll also see readings jumping to the 30s again starting tomorrow, but lows will be below 25 degrees, meaning we'll at least get good night's rest without too much tossing and turning. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.